All right, guys, we're down at the bottom of the Wachusett Dam. Super duper massive and imposing down here. Just endless, endless, endless megalithic, meltolithic blocks. Just as far as the eye can see. This is like the little side over here. But here's this building here. This is the Clinton Waterworks department, or part of it. Crazy. Just over the top. Actually, a lot of times they look kind of similar to this along the river, I've noticed. This style of building. There's steps that we walk down, except on the other side, so that's what we're looking at to get out of here. But yeah, Waterworks went all out with the design, nice and fancy. Corbels. All, yeah, they went all out. This is big, goes down here. We're standing on these massive freaking blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4 high, I can see. Goes down into there. Lower, I'm sure. Crazy steel grates. But yeah, we were just kind of laughing at this. So you used to be able to walk over the dam, but you can no longer walk over the dam. It's gated off, we saw in the last video. But it seems like they are working. They have this janky little fence set up here. It's very suspicious. I mean, this pile of wood ain't doing nothing. That's weathered, that's been sitting there. I mean, yeah, there's these half-ass piles over here, but doesn't look too much activity in my experience. They're kind of just chilling there, stacked up nice and neat. Sketchy. Little dumpster, just for show, and a perimeter fence to keep everybody out. Just observing. I'm not confirming or denying anything. But yeah, we're gonna walk up. I'll get a good shot of it here. We're gonna walk up this obnoxious set of stairs here. There's people coming down, so I'm just gonna do it quick. It is ridiculous, and it keeps going way up and around that tree, and it goes there. Those people are like not even close. They're way past. It's a lot longer after them. They're 3/4 of the way down. So, all right, we're gonna call it there, and we're gonna go try and go into one of these churches over here. We sort of got an invitation to maybe get an inside tour, so we'll go see what we can find.